The video shows a serious near-miss incident at a construction site after a cutting operation. A worker attempts to move a freshly cut wall section without securing or bracing it. Due to the lack of proper support, the heavy structure suddenly collapses toward the worker. Fortunately, the worker reacts instantly and escapes narrowly. This incident highlights the critical importance of securing all materials before final cuts and enforcing strict exclusion zones around unstable structures. This footage captures a dangerous industrial incident where a forklift was left unattended without engaging the parking brake. The machine rolled uncontrollably down a road, and despite workers' attempts to stop it, the forklift crashed into a parked vehicle. This incident emphasizes that parking brakes and wheel chocks must always be used, and operators must be fully trained to prevent runaway equipment accidents. The video records a catastrophic crane accident during lifting operations. Due to improper outrigger setup or overloading, the mobile crane suddenly loses stability and violently tips over. A worker nearby is struck by the falling structure. This incident is a critical reminder that full outrigger deployment, correct load calculations, and wide exclusion zones are absolutely mandatory during crane operations. This footage shows a worker walking within an active forklift travel path. Due to limited visibility and poor separation between pedestrians and vehicles, the worker is struck by the moving forklift and suffers a serious impact injury. The incident highlights the necessity of clearly marked pedestrian routes, strict exclusion zones, and controlled forklift speeds in all work areas. This video documents a dangerous lifting operation where a crane attempts to lift a heavy steel coil using a side pull technique. As the load leaves the ground, it swings violently and strikes a worker. This incident clearly demonstrates that side pulling is strictly prohibited and loads must be lifted vertically within forced exclusion zones to prevent uncontrolled movement. The footage shows a motorcyclist colliding with a hazardous metal obstruction protruding into the roadway, possibly from an unsecured industrial load. The impact throws the rider violently onto the road, severely damaging protective gear. This incident underscores the importance of securing materials near roadways, maintaining vigilance, reducing speed, and always wearing certified safety helmets. This video captures a worker standing dangerously close to an operating machine during cleaning or adjustment. Due to failure in following safety procedures, the worker is struck by moving components. This incident highlights the absolute necessity of lockout-tagout procedures and never approaching moving machinery without full de-energization. The footage shows a catastrophic failure during the inflation of a large commercial vehicle tire. The tire or rim explodes, releasing immense stored energy and violently striking the worker nearby. This incident stresses the mandatory use of tire safety cages, proper inspections, and maintaining a safe distance during high-pressure inflation tasks. This video records a severe electrical accident involving a worker operating near high-voltage power lines from an elevated platform. Contact with the energized line causes a visible electrical flash and shock. This incident reinforces that de-energization, minimum approach distances, insulated tools, and proper PPE are non-negotiable when working near live electrical systems.